A customer came to me with a complaint that their check engine light was on. To determine the cause, I connected a scan tool to the vehicle and retrieved two codes: P0223, throttle pedal position sensor / switch B circuit high, and P2135, throttle pedal position sensor switch AB voltage correlation. I started by inspecting the electronic throttle control ETC motor connector and terminals. These components can sometimes develop corrosion or loose connections, which can cause erratic behavior, but everything appeared clean and secure. Next, I visually inspected the wiring harness for the ETC motor to check for any obvious signs of damage, such as frayed wires or pinched sections, but found no issues. With the key in the on position and the engine off, I used the scan tool to command the ETC motor to open and close the throttle plate. The throttle plate responded as commanded, but its movement was erratic and inconsistent, which indicated a malfunction in the motor itself. The electronic throttle control motor is integrated into the throttle body, so the entire unit needed to be replaced. The throttle body is a critical component of the vehicle's electronic throttle control system. It regulates the airflow into the engine based on input from the accelerator pedal position sensor. When the throttle body or its motor malfunctions, it can cause poor engine performance, trigger the check engine light, and potentially lead to unsafe driving conditions. To resolve the issue, I replaced the throttle body with a new unit. After installation, I cleared the diagnostic codes using the scan tool and performed a road test to confirm the repair. The vehicle operated smoothly, the check engine lights stayed off, and no fault codes returned. This ensured the throttle body was functioning correctly, restoring proper engine performance and reliability.